Welcome to lesson 4 of how to build a one-page contest application website using Joomla. In lesson 4, I'm going to teach you how to create your contest form. And that is the one-page registration form for any online competition you see right here. So how we're going to do that is, if you scroll down, you'll see where it says form assembly. Just click on that. It should take you directly to the site where the form assembly is, and you can simply click. Although there is a pricing to this to using this form, it gives you a 14-day trial period, so you simply click on start your 14-day trial period. And if your 14-day trial period is over, and it doesn't need any credit card, so you can always skip that part. So it says try it for free, and this is basic. And you have to put in a username, password, your email, confirm. And after you do that, it sends you an email which you have to confirm. And once you do that, you're able to log in. So I'm going to go to the site and log in because I already have an account there. So I'm going to click on log in. It takes a while depending on the speed. I have some windows open as well, and my username and password are in place. So I'm going to go ahead and click log in. And there it should bring you to this area. So here, if you look to the left, it says template. This is exactly where we need to go to. Click on templates, because the template that we're using is an already pre-made template. We're going to scroll down. That template is called contest entry form, and there it is. It says contest entry form template US address. Simply click on use, and it should bring you to the form builder, and this is where we basically can build our form. Just simply click ignore here, and it brings you here. This is where the name of the form goes. Then this is where you start putting any information you wish to gather from the contestants or the people who wish to sign up into whatever it is that you're putting out there. First thing we want to do here is go ahead, if you're not from the United States, go ahead and click here and simply delete this field, because it takes in stuff from the states, cities from the states. And in place of that, what I would do here is go ahead here and go to questions. Sorry, not the question. Give me a second. Yes, personal. We want an address, date, and time. Okay. First thing I like to do is put my date in a form. So I'm going to click on date. And although it's down here, I'm going to grab it and scroll it all the way up, so it's at least at the top of the form. And there it is, the date. And I would like to change this zip to postcode. Postcode. And if zip is okay for you, just leave it at zip. So I'm going to click done. Some countries in Europe use postcode, not zip code. Okay, the city is there. I would like to, let me see here. I would like to copy this. So I'm going to click here. Click on city and click on copy this question. And I'm going to change that city to state. or country. If you have just a city and country, you can put it that way. So hit done. So and I'm going to change this contest entry form. Maybe let's change it to workshop. Let's call it a dance workshop application. Dance workshop application form. There. Okay. Say update the form name. Yes, we want to update the form name. And we scroll down. It has full name, street address, address continued, city, state, postcode, phone number, email. If you wish to add more items such as social networking, this is where you can now either copy this column here, or you simply scroll down, click here or anywhere in the form, and add a question. So let's say I want them to input their Facebook name. I'm going to put text, and it always puts it at the end here. So I'll just change this to, let's say, Facebook. Click done. I'm going to grab this and drop it here, so that way they know to put their Facebook name there. And you can click on that and simply copy the question. Okay, copy this question and click done. So you see you have two Facebook names here, so I can change this to either Twitter or Gmail or whatever social network you wish to have people leave on the site. Eligibility, you can state what you want them to put. You can change it. Simply click on it and change the text in there. You can say you must be a resident of Germany to participate in this workshop. Okay, simply click on done, and there it is. Just something real simple. Condition, you click on there also and input your condition, whatever you want to put there. Once we scroll down a little bit further, we'll see it says cancel, enter. If you click on the form, on the icon cancel, it shows you where you can change the button label, but I don't want this button, so I'm going to delete it and hit cancel. So I'm going to go here and remove the cancel button, and then here I'm going to click on the enter button, and I'm going to, instead of enter, I'm going to put submit. I prefer that. Okay, and yeah, I think our form is looking decent. We have a date, a full name. Oh yeah, one more thing you can put. I would like to perhaps have the age. I'd like to have people input their age, so I'm going to go to add question, and I will simply tell it to put a text input area. I'm going to change that to age, and I'm going to make it smaller by holding my mouse on that little corner there and dragging it to the left, and I'm going to hit done. Drag this, maybe put it right under, maybe here. You decide where you want to put it. Just drag it and put it wherever you want to put it. Okay, and that's done. Now, here are some validation rules. If you're using the free version, it doesn't allow you to use the advanced sections, which are down below. But here you can tell it, if you say none, it means, or here you can tell it that they can only put numbers in this box. So I'm going to put number 0 to 9. So they know, hey, they might have to put numbers in that box. It can be 29, but it has to be number format. And I can also tell them it's required. I click required and I click done. So it shows that little dot there. So I can do that with almost all the items I would like that to have. I'll click required here. Click required here on the street address. So maybe I can also put required on email. So it's really up to you what you want to do, how you want the form to look. And that's pretty much it. And once I think the form is okay, I click save. And now I can say, since I'm done, I'll tell it I want to leave now. It's going to take me back to the front. I'm going to scroll this here to the right. And when you click here, I'm going to right mouse click and say open link in new tab. It should show you what your form should look like. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. And that's because it's calling it from another site. And this is what the form would look like. So once I insert this in our site, we should have the form looking like this. So now the embed part, I'm going to teach that in the next lesson. So thank you for watching. This has been Christian Ross.